Hey, here is my Thanksgiving dinner. I found a really good deal at the grocery store where they have stuffing, they have a turkey breast. That's half of a turkey breast. It's a little bit on the dry side, but who cares? It's Thanksgiving. And I have my cranberry sauce. I have my potatoes. I have my green beans and the gravy and a pumpkin pie, which is a traditional Thanksgiving dinner. I have to have my Thanksgiving dinner even if I don't make it myself. And this year I didn't make it myself. I wanted to make it, but I posted so many videos on how to make a Thanksgiving turkey. I brined it, I have roasted it, I've done a 2-hour, so I have plenty of videos out there on how to do a Thanksgiving dinner. So I decided I didn't want to make a Thanksgiving. So I bought my Thanksgiving. I should have gotten the turkey earlier if I was going to do it, but I was busy doing some other things, and so unfortunately I wasn't able to do it this year. So maybe next year or next time, I don't know. But that's my Thanksgiving, and I hope everybody has a nice Thanksgiving this year, 2020, and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.